Nice. Congratulations, you have crossed your second hurdle.
No idea, sorry.
Hello everyone, I welcome you all to our social media channel Empowering Belgavi, and our motto is to empower the youth of this country. So दोस्तों 26 जनवरी आ रहा है, यानी कि गणतंत्र दिवस या फिर रिपब्लिक डे जिसे कहा जाता है, और इस बार हम 72nd टाइम रिपब्लिक डे सेलिब्रेट करेंगे। रिपब्लिक मतलब क्या? रिपब्लिक मतलब गवर्नमेंट ऑफ द पीपल, बाय द पीपल, फॉर द पीपल। इसका मतलब हम पब्लिक को ये पावर मिली थी कि हम हमारा लीडर चुन सके। सो चलो पब्लिक से ही पूछते हैं कि रिपब्लिक डे क्या होता है और उनसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस करते हैं।
As you know, our rules are, okay, we'll be asking you 5 questions on Republic Day. As Republic Day is coming, we'll be asking you 5 questions. If you answer all 5 questions correct, you'll be getting 500 rupees. Okay?
Yeah.
And if any one answer wrong, you'll be getting nothing. Or one answer correct, you'll be not even getting 100 rupees also. Okay? So our first question is, what do Republic called in Hindi?
स्वतंत्र दिवस।
Are you sure?
गणतंत्र दिवस।
Oh, wow, that's great. Congratulations, you have crossed the first.
I'm not sure about this. It's either Prajasattak or what can it be?
What's in Hindi it is?
This is in Hindi, right?
No.
No, it's in Marathi then.
ಗಣತಂತ್ರ ದಿವಸ್.
Wow, that's great. ರಿಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ಗೆ ಹಿಂದಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಸರ್?
ಗಣರಾಜ್.
ಹಿಂದಿ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು. Okay.
प्रजासत्ताक दिन. समथिंग इन मराठी. हां, या राइट.
It's in Marathi.
काय की बाबा मराठी व्हिडिओ. प्रजासत्ताक.
ते मराठीत झालं, हिंदीमध्ये?
या राइट.
ओके.
गणतंत्र दिवस.
Okay, that's great. I will ask the second question.
जयंती आई डोंट नो.
Oh God. What is Republic called in Hindi?
टाइम लिमिट इज देयर?
No, you can take your time.
ओके. ओके, आई डोंट नो.
Just take a wise guess. Try.
दिवस तो 15th अगस्त होता है ना, सो थिंकिंग के भी आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज रिपब्लिक डे कॉल्ड इन हिंदी. गणतंत्र दिवस.
Sorry? Okay.
It is गणतंत्र दिवस, something like that.
You sure? Make it clear.
What is called it? गणतंत्र दिवस. Yeah, that is only.
Sorry?
Is that only?
What is
I don't know exactly. Maybe something like गणतंत्र दिवस or something like that. I don't know exactly.
Okay, it's called Ganatantra Divas.
Yeah, that only. The pronunciation is just different. Yeah.
So, who is the father of our Indian Constitution?
B.R. Ambedkar.
Okay, that's great. It's a correct answer. I'd like to ask you a second question.
Okay.
Huh? Who is the father of Indian Constitution?
Okay, just give this aside.
Okay, fine, no problem. No
Okay,
problem.
I
So
don't
you
know
can
what
do
this.
You're not sure about this?
Really, from far away, I don't know only.
इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. डॉक्टर B.R. आंबेडकर.
Okay, that's great. It's a correct answer. Congratulations. Who is the father of Indian Constitution?
महात्मा गांधी जी.
Are you sure?
मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी.
I'm really very sorry. It's a wrong answer. Better luck next time. So it's B.R. Ambedkar.
ओके, या आई रिमेंबर.
Okay.
डॉक्टर आंबेडकर.
Wow, that's great. Congratulations.
डॉक्टर बी आर आंबेडकर.
Wow, that's great.
बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर.
That's great. Nice. Congratulations. You have crossed your second hurdle. Who is the father of Indian Constitution?
B.R. आंबेडकर.
Wow, that's great. Okay, our third question is, like, who has been invited as a chief guest in upcoming Republic Day in 2021?
It's a British Prime Minister, but he has cancelled.
No, what's his name?
What's his name? Boris Johnson.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. Congratulations.
First off, it's UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson.
American leader, American president. I think
Sorry?
American president. I think
Think on that. What you want to answer?
American president. Right now?
But sorry, it's the wrong answer. Chief guest in upcoming Republic Day 2021.
I have no idea about it.
I think Donald Trump, but not sure.
Make sure answer. Are you sure about that answer?
मुझे पता है? Maybe it is.
Okay, but it's the wrong answer. Better luck next time. It was
Next question.
no. Yes, 2021.
I don't know.
2021. Biden? Joe Biden? Is it Biden?
No.
Coming. I don't watch TV only. We don't have TV only now.
Okay, seriously, like it's a news. Like it wasn't recent news.
I just scroll our Insta or something like that. In that also they don't show.
Okay, you watch. Okay, my fourth question will be, who was the chairman for the drafting committee of our Indian Constitution?
Chairman for drafting committee. No idea.
Who was the chairman for the drafting committee of our Indian Constitution?
Okay, fine. I think we should stop here. Gandhi ji?
No.
Drafting committee. What's the president's name? I don't remember. I'm sorry.
Okay, who was the first president then?
I don't remember even this. So sorry, I don't remember.
Drafting committee? No, I don't know.
You don't know.
No, I don't.
Who was the chairman for the drafting committee of our Indian Constitution?
Prime Minister.
No. Who was the chairman? Name. Okay. When was the Indian Constitution of India adopted?
Leave it.
No.
No idea.
48 probably. It must be 1948 because 1947 we got independence.
Okay.
And it took around 1 year to just form and make some changes and fix everything. So
Okay.
it must be in the year 1948.
What do you think?
47, 48, that one never was. 48. It must be in 48.
But actually, it's 26th November 1949. It is. How many articles are there in our Indian Constitution presently?
I have no idea, literally.
More than 370 for sure, I can say.
Because it's an Article 370. Okay. Nice guess.
Yes. Of course.
Can you guess the number? Can you guess a digit probably?
It must be probably around 850 something.
No.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Okay. Thank you for your time. Welcome. It was nice talking to you all. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Seriously, it was great for both of you.
Thank you.
But yeah, पता भी लगा कि मैं कितनी पानी में हूँ. Thank you so much, guys.
So, if you want those answers, surely watch our video on YouTube channel and also follow our FB page and Insta page, which is Empowering Belgavi. Surely follow the page. Thank you. Thank you.
तो दोस्तों, आप सभी ने देखा कि लोगों को हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के बारे में और रिपब्लिक डे के बारे में इतनी खास जानकारी नहीं है. तो जो क्वेश्चंस मैंने पूछे थे उसके मैं आंसर्स आपको बता देती हूँ. तो पहला क्वेश्चन ये था कि व्हाट इज़ रिपब्लिक कॉल्ड इन हिंदी. सो रिपब्लिक को हिंदी में गणतंत्र दिवस कहा जाता है. दूसरा क्वेश्चन, हु इज़ द फादर ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. हमारे इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के फादर है डॉक्टर B.R. अम्बेडकर. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, हु हैज़ बिन इन्वाइटेड एज द चीफ गेस्ट फॉर द अपकमिंग रिपब्लिक डे 2021. तो चीफ गेस्ट का नाम है बोरिस जॉनसन, जो कि यूनाइटेड किंगडम के प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं. क्वेश्चन फोर्थ, हु वॉज द चेयरमैन फॉर द ड्राफ्टिंग कमिटी ऑफ आर इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. तो उसका आंसर है डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद. क्वेश्चन 5, हाउ मेनी आर्टिकल्स आर देयर इन इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एट प्रेजेंट. तो टोटली 448 आर्टिकल्स है. एक और बोनस क्वेश्चन था जो कि है, व्हेन वाज द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया अडॉप्टेड. तो उसका आंसर है 26 नवंबर 1949. तो दोस्तों, आई होप आपको हमारी ये कोशिश अच्छी लगी होगी. हम इसी तरह और बहुत से वीडियोस बनाएंगे और हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को लाइक करना, सब्सक्राइब करना, शेयर भी करना और हमारा FB पेज और इंस्टा पेज को भी ज़रूर फॉलो करना, जो कि एम्पावरिंग बेलगावी है. तो दोस्तों, हम मिलते हैं आपको नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में. थैंक यू.